Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a knowledge base with Zendesk easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a knowledge base with Zendesk, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the guide option on the left hand side of the dashboard. Click on Manage to access the knowledge base settings. Select sections to create the main categories for your articles. Click on Add section to set up a new category. Enter a name for your new section, and provide a brief description. Save your changes to finalize the section creation. Next, select articles to start adding content to your knowledge base. Click on Add Article to create a new article under your chosen section. In the article editor, enter a title that clearly reflects the content of your article. Use the rich text editor to format your article, adding headings, bullet points, and images as needed. Provide informative content that addresses the questions or issues your customers may face. Utilize the insert option to embed links, videos, or other resources that support your article. Once you've completed your article, choose to either publish it immediately or save it as a draft for later. Repeat the process to add more articles to your knowledge base. You can rearrange the order of articles and sections by using the drag and drop feature. To make your knowledge base more user-friendly, consider adding a search feature. Test the search functionality to ensure customers can easily find relevant articles. Finally, review all articles for clarity and accuracy before promoting the knowledge base to your users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.